How to buy Path of Exile. 2 currency safely. Path of Exile. 2 currency is essential for upgrading gear, crafting items, and enhancing your character's power. Buying currency online can save time, but it requires careful consideration to avoid risks. Here's a structured guide to buying PoE 2 currency safely. What is PoE 2 currency? Path of Exile. 2 currency includes various orbs, scrolls, and shards used for crafting, trading, and improving equipment in the game, forming the backbone of the in-game economy. Why buy PoE 2 currency? Purchasing currency saves time by bypassing the grind, enabling players to acquire top-tier gear, craft powerful items, and enjoy endgame content faster. Where to buy PoE 2 currency? Choose reputable currency selling platforms with verified reviews, secure payment methods, and positive customer feedback. Avoid unknown or untrustworthy sites. Check seller reputation. Research the seller's track record through reviews, ratings, and user feedback. A reliable seller will have a history of safe and timely transactions. Use secure payment methods. Pay using secure methods like PayPal, credit cards, or other trusted payment gateways. Avoid direct bank transfers or unfamiliar platforms to protect your financial data. Understand the transaction process. After payment, currency is usually delivered through in-game trade. Communicate with the seller to arrange a secure trade location and confirm transaction details. Risks of buying Path of Exile 2 currency. Buying currency is against Grinding Gear Games' terms of service, and accounts caught engaging in real money trading risk bans or penalties. Be aware of this before purchasing. Avoiding scams. Never share your account details with sellers. Verify all trade details before confirming, and avoid offers that seem too cheap or unrealistic. Alternatives to buying currency. Earn currency through in-game methods like mapping, trading items, farming bosses, and participating in league mechanics for a risk-free experience. Buying PoE 2 currency can enhance your gameplay, but it comes with risks. Always prioritize security, verify sellers, and be mindful of the game's policies to protect your account.